Have you ever wondered why things fall down? Let's explore the invisible force called gravity. Here's an apple, floating in the air. But watch what happens next. Notice how our yellow arrow will guide us through this adventure. The apple falls down. But why? What's pulling it? Ah, here's our home, planet Earth. The Earth is very big and very heavy. And here's the secret. Earth pulls everything toward it. These red arrows show the invisible pull. It's like Earth is giving everything a gentle hug, pulling them close. That pull is called gravity. And guess what? Gravity pulls on everything. Watch as a ball, a box, and even a feather all fall down together. See? They all fall. Gravity works on everything no matter what it is. Big or small, heavy or light, everything falls. So remember, gravity is Earth's invisible pull that brings everything down. That's why when you jump, you always come back down. Thanks to gravity, we can walk, play, and stay safely on our beautiful Earth. Isn't that wonderful? And that's the amazing story of gravity. Thank you for joining this adventure.